Searching for a 2005 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes.
Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.